Every reporter has had their Sullivan moment. The story is good, the source is solid, the document is real, and somebody upstairs asks the lawyer, "Are we going to get sued?" Sullivan is the reason you can keep going. Let me give you the quick version, and then the part the textbook can't. 1964, a police commissioner in Alabama sues the New York Times over an ad supporting Martin Luther King Jr. The ad had a few small factual errors. Under Alabama libel law, that was enough for a $500,000 verdict against the paper. The Supreme Court reversed. Justice Brennan wrote that debate on public issues should be uninhibited, robust, and wide open. A public official cannot win a libel case over a defamatory falsehood unless it proves actual malice. Actual malice is a term of art. It means the reporter knew the statement was false or published with reckless disregard for whether it was true. Not sloppy, not negligent. He knew or basically didn't care. So here's the part the textbook doesn't give you. There was a standard that was drawn in all the editorial meetings. Did the reporters do the work? Did they have the records? Was the person asked properly? Did they get their response recorded? If yes, we ran it because we knew an honest mistake wouldn't sink us. The plaintiff would have to prove our state of mind, not just if we got something wrong. Take Sullivan away, and here's what happens. Every official with money sues reporters with a story. Every newsroom settles because defending costs more than the newspaper is worth. Investigative journalism as a regular practice basically stops. Read Sullivan this week, then Gertz, then Hustler. Then decide for yourself whether the standard should change. That is your discussion prompt. I'll see you there.